Ayong buntag Cebu and the rest of Central Visayas. Kini nausab si Hazel Gloria of the Philippine Information Agency, Region 7. Laing nausab na adlong Miyerkules and welcome to another episode of our Kapihan sa PIA. Karong adlaw, we are featuring another government agency as they celebrate the National Statistics Month karong buwan sa Oktubre. So joining us today are the officials from the Philippine Statistics Authority 7. We have Engineer Leopoldo Alfanta Jr. He is the Chief Statistical Specialist. And with him is Engineer Felixberto Sato Jr., the Supervising Statistical Specialist. So later on, atong paghisgutan kung unsa ang mga highlights sa kaning dako nila nga selebrasyon karong buwan ug unsa ang mga kalambuan karon sa PSA 7. So siguro no, before we start, I would like to hear an opening statement no sa ato ang mga bisita karong adlaw. So first, unahon siguro nako si Engineer Alfanta, sir.
Mayong buntag, Ma'am Hazel. Mayong buntag sa ato ang tigpaminaw or nagtanaw sa atong live streaming karon sa Kapihan sa PIA. Dako kayo ni namong pribilehiyo and opportunity, ma'am, to be part of this schedule, no? Today, Wednesday, sa Kapihan sa PIA para sulti pon mi og gamay regarding sa among gi-celebrate karon nga National Statistics Month kada Oktubre. Thank you kay Ma'am Hazel for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. And of course, we would like also to hear from Engineer Sato, sir.
Yes, good morning, Ma'am Hazel, and mayong buntag sa atong tanan, no, katong nagtan-aw sa atong live, no, diri sa atong Facebook. And I would like to thank also the Philippine Information Agency that mao na ato ang partner in making some data dissemination sa ato ang mga projects, and of course sa ato ang mga importanteng mga aktibidades nga pagabuhaton nato sa ato ang opisina. In fact, karon nga bulan mao ang National Statistics, no. Mayong buntag natong tanan.
Yes, of course, sir. No, PSA is always welcome and we're always here. No, ang PIA nga mo tabang no maghatag og suporta kung unsa ang mga activities, unsa ang mga information no, nga angay nga ipahibaw nato sa tuang publiko. So all right, so as what I have mentioned no, a while ago, as you celebrate the National Statistics Month, siguro mangutana ko kung unsa ka importante ang pag-celebrate nato sa kaning National Statistics Month. Why do we celebrate no kaning NSM and unsay goal nato sa karon nato nga pag-celebrate for this year?
Yeah, okay, Ma'am Hazel, let me answer that question.
Sure.
Ang legal basis why we are celebrating the National Statistics Month every October, that is by virtue of the Presidential Proclamation number 647, no? Signed by then President Cory Aquino in September 20, 1990. So, karon nga tuig, ma'am, year 2022 is the 33rd celebration of the National Statistics Month, or in short, NSM. So, maglibog ta. Sa una ako, naglibog po ko nganong 33rd man, sir, na 2022. Atong i-minus, 1990 man ang proclamation niya, 2022, 2022 minus 1990, 32 pa unta. Yeah. Murag tama, sir. Pero, pag-sign sa President atong Proclamation number 647 in September 20, 1990, pagka October dayon in 1990 was the first National Statistics Month celebration. So the 1990 will be counted as the first, no? Okay. And onward from, that's why it is 33rd. Video catchy siya, no? Tricky siya. So that's why 33rd na siya karon niya. Ang atuang kada tuig dahil Ma'am Hazel na siya theme, no? Unsa tema nato. Karon ang atuang theme is boosting the country's recovery with informed decisions, better policies. Again, boosting the country's recovery with informed decision, better policies. Ang mga themes no, sa akong na-observe is also timely. No, ang mga team timely pod sa what's happening now ba. Labi na karon, we are still in the pandemic, no? Wala pa man gyud gi-declare sa World Health Organization na we are now
Free.
post-COVID, no? Naapag gihapon, no? In fact, cases na lang gihapon, mga balita daily at sa gabi, na lang gihapon yung mga cases sa COVID. But we have learned to live with the
Virus.
COVID and the pandemic. In fact, we have adjusted the work schedule, no? Unsay mga structure na to, nanatay mga work from home, wa gid kita kailaan na sa una, nanatay mga skeleton force and
Yes.
etc. And kabalo man ta nga in 2020 that was really the hardest time nato, especially on the second quarter, on the third quarter, and up to the fourth quarter of 2020. Kay first quarter nato wala pa man to gi-declare ang state of emergency, no? If you remember, March 15 declared by President Duterte during that time, amo na to ang state of national emergency, no? So grabe na gyud kay to, mo lakaw mo gawas ta sa dan, lamingaw kayo. Ito gitanan tao, no? That was the hardest part, 2020. And then 2021 last year medyo arang-arang na ang sitwasyon, no? Hinahinay na og balik tong mga trabaho, no? Nya. Karon po 2022 mas better na po siguro ang situation nga atong naobserbahan o atong na-experience compared to 2020 and 2021. In fact, ang ato ang klase murabag nibalik na kita sa mga face-to-face classes. So that's why ang tema nato is in line with the recovery, no? Sa ato ang country's recovery kay grabe man gid to pagkahagba gid nato ato ang ato ang ekonomiya na yung mga nawada ng trabaho, mga inanaan na. So hagba gyud. So slowly, we are now going back to the normal. But I cannot say, Ma'am Hazel, na normal situation na kita because pandemic pa man karon. But we are now in the recovery. So that's why we need some data and statistics to be informed for better policies and programs to be used by the government. Murag inana lang akong masulti in relation to the theme boosting the country's recovery with informed decisions and better policies.
Sir, na-mention man nimo ang recovery. Of course, yes, no, you're right, sir, no, nga we are now in the recovery phase, no, after the pandemic, no, nga ni strike with sa to ang country and even the whole world. Sir, with regards sa PSA, in terms of recovery, with the theme nga imuhang na-mention ganina, unsa gi mahimo unsa gyud matabang gyud sa PSA, sir, in order to really uplift pa gyud ang lives sa ato ang mga Filipino people nato. So unsay mga programs, unsay mga services sa PSA nga mahatag, no, para to boast ato ang recovery pa gyud as of now, no, nga we are now starting to recover again, no, from the pandemic.
Yeah, okay. Based lang sa mandato, no, the main mandate of PSA, no, because we are the primary statistical arm of the government and under the umbrella organization of the National Economic and Development Authority, no, nga mao gyud na ang gisaligan for socio-economic planning and development sa government. So, ang mandato sa PSA is not like other departments ba nga naagay straightforward na mga programa like dole out of mga tangible na mga like money, employment, what other goods, no, nga mahatag og ma-receive directly sa mga katawhan. But as per mandate, no, we provide the data necessary for our planners and policy makers that they can base their programs, no. Ang data man god very important na kay karong panahon na, so that our decisions and actions to be taken will be based on figures, no, or facts ba, no, dili lang siya wala ba og trial and error, no. So sa una sigurong panahon dili kayo inana ta ka very aware of the need for data, but karon that is very important so that our decisions will be guided accordingly, Ma'am Hazel.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Sir, with regards sa theme boosting the country's recovery with informed decisions, better policies, no? Siguro, sir, of course, ang inyong mga activities karong buwan, ano, in line good with the theme. So siguro, unsa yung mga highlights, sir, sa inyong mga activities sa inyong celebration karon?
Yeah. I'd like to give that opportunity to Surgeon Sato,
Yes.
no, for some activities. Natural, Ma'am Hazel, no? I know before Jun Sato will speak, no. I know that every month na atay mga celebration for that particular month ba, like example August mga ana linggo ng wika man siguro linggo ng wika lang, but July nutrition month,
Yeah.
women month, mga inana civil registration month. Then usual gina nato mga hanging of streamer, mga motorcade, no? But those are always naa magina siya always na ang mga activity, but I'd like Sir Jun Sato to focus on some mga unique nga mga activities ba, not just the usual kay mao naman gina ang
Yes. So,
usual makita. Streamers, no? Sige, Sir Jun.
go ahead, Sir June.
Okay, thank you, Sir Jun and Ma'am Hazel. So, as part of our activities, no, buhato nato regarding sa National 33rd NSM, no, nga based on the ato ang tema karon nga boosting the country's recovery with informed decisions, better policies. Yeah, actually this particular theme nag-emphasize pud ni siya sa critical role, no, of the statistics, no, in
Yes.
crafting most appropriate decisions and policies para sa ato ang mga policy maker as evidence based. So as part of our mga highlights sa mga activity namo, we also delved in on the objective of the National Statistics Month, why we conduct this NSM every year,
Yes.
as mentioned by Sir Jun, pursuant to the proclamation number 647 signed by President Corazon C. Aquino. So there are two objectives, no, for in having this celebration. One is to promote, enhance, and instill awareness and appreciation of the importance and value of statistics to
Mm.
the different sectors of society. So, ang critical role gid ani is the importance and awareness of the statistics, no?
Yeah.
Magyud ka importante ang statistics in our daily lives. In fact, mo matata, mo sakay tag sakyanan, naa diyan na-involve ang statistics, pilay pamasahe nimo.
Correct.
Imo na i-average pila kay akong magasto sa usa ka adlaw, undi average per week pila. Those are statistics, no? Okay. Number two, unsa man ang iyahapang objective sa celebration nato sa NSM, to elicit the cooperation and support of the general public in upgrading the quality and standards of statistics in the country. So, mao na ang duha ka objective why we have this NSM. To highlight some of the activities nato karon,
Yes.
I know, Ma'am Hazel, you know nga, last Monday we have the opening ceremony, no? Opening ceremony, and we invited two agencies, which is the DIL, no, the DSWD and DOLE, no, to present their recovery programs, no? Kung unsa po ang ilahang mga program nga naka-recover sa atong ekonomiya diri sa nasod as a whole, no? As a whole. So the opening ceremony was conducted in the morning of October 10. Virtual lang ni siya, October 10 from 9 to 12. And in the afternoon, Ma'am Hazel, we also conducted the second Philippine Statistics Quiz B, no? The venue nato was in Cebu Normal University, and we also invited a representative from PIA, si Ma'am Hazel, no?
You're struggling.
One of the three member nato, no, sa board of judges niya. Ang ato ang mga participants ato sa Philippine second PSA Quiz B are all members of the Regional Statistics Committee nato sa Central Visayas. So moto nga different representative from the member agencies, especially sa ato ang mga national government agency, no, sa local government unit and the academ, no, naman to'y taga-bayso dito nga ni apil pod mga academ nato og national government agency. So we have recently concluded that particular activity sa PSA Quiz B. That was the second, no, kay ang first was conducted last year. Now, ang atong regional champion, Ma'am Hazel, will be representing our region this coming December 7 in Manila. No, just like last year, ang ato pong representative from BSP kay mo to siya na regional champion pod nato diri last
Okay.
2021, ni-represent pod siya dito sa national, no, sa first PSA Quiz B. And take note na pag sa national ni come up siya as the fifth
Wow.
placer, no, diri sa atoa, no, ang taga Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, no. I would like to thank that also, no. Hopefully karon sa second PSA Quiz B nato this coming December 7, top 5 lagya punta, Ma'am Hazel. I am pretty sure of that.
Huli.
Yeah. Then another thing is we have ang ato kay katuman to mga national government agency, and we also focus kay instill awareness mga illicit operation of statistics. We also think of why is it better if we also invite the different universities, no, state universities and colleges to participate in the 26th Philippine Statistics Quiz. PSQ ni siya, no? Actually, Ma'am Hazel, this PSQ, mo gini ato ang highlight po every year for the National Statistics Month. But this PSQ, ika-26 pa lang ni siya, because it started in the year 1992. Di ba? NSM ni start 1990. Pero ang atong PSQ just started in the year 1992. So 2 years after diha pa, no, nakasugod, or 3 years after establish ta sa PSQ until 2016, no? Until 2016 ni stop ni siya sa 2017 and 2018 to give way sa katong K-12 curriculum. Naman to'y vacuum ato, Ma'am Hazel. Wala tayo.
Yes, sir. 2 years.
Okay, one of the requirement go nga to participate mga students are first year freshman gid siya, no, nga currently enrolled in the first semester man to siya or in the second semester, basta kay first year gid siya nga standing niya. Na-revive ni siya in 2019, 2017 and 2018 wala because of the vacuum of the K-12 curriculum. Nibalik siya 2019. Unya kay naman to'y pandemic, Ma'am Hazel, wala na punta kapadayon, no? Sa 2020, 2021, and this time, this is the 26th Philippine Statistics Quiz will be conducted national, sa national will be conducted on December 6. So ganiha, ang national po na to nga PSA Quiz B, December 7.
Yeah, 7.
Po nga PSQ, December 6, meaning back-to-back ni sila adto sa central office, no? So PSQ, following day, PSA Quiz B. But we will also be having our regional elimination for the PSQ para mo kinsa po mo represent nato dito sa national. This will be conducted on November 14. Okay? November 14 in the afternoon. Wala pa tayo venue, but we are now on the process of coordinating sa tanga venue nga conduct aning ipahigayon ning regional elimination championship for the PSQ. But before that, sa kaning regional PSQ, para ma-determine na to who will be the contestant for the regional PSQ, we will also be having, no, the provincial elimination round for the PSQ. This will be scheduled in each province. This will be done simultaneously. Kuan gini siya dungan tanan, the same date, the same time, para walay leakage sa question sa ato ang quiz conducted on October 20 from the different 4 provinces in the region: Bohol, Negros, Siquijor, and Cebu. So, ato ang mga PSA provincial counterpart was able to, they are now on the process, no, ongoing ang ilang coordination with the HEI, no, higher education institutions, with coordination with the provincial steering committee po nila dito, no. Of course na ginang taga-CHED because the HEI is under the sa CHED man siya. So this coming October 20 at exactly 1:30 in the afternoon, we will be having the provincial elimination round for the PSQ. This is the 26th PSQ provincial elimination round. Who will advance to the regional elimination round? Mao po ni siya, Ma'am Hazel. So, the top 3 winners for Bohol, Negros, and Siquijor will advance to the regional elimination round. While Cebu,
Yes.
considering the dako man ni siya nga province, no, niya dagang school, the top 6 top winners in Cebu during the provincial elimination round will also advance to the regional championships slated on November 14. So pila man kapo ang atong contestant ani tanan. This will be all in all 15. 6 from the 3 provinces, 9 from the 6 provinces, then plus 6 contestant from the Cebu, a total of 15 contestants. Okay, so ang ato na po aning question, who may compete in the PSQ? No? Ato ning klarohon para po na makadungog diri sa ato ang live nga mga estudyante nga freshmen, alam mo apil din na. Of course, they will also coordinate with their school administration, no, so that they will be properly endorsed as part of the requirements. So the 26th PSQ, this is open to all Filipino first-time college freshmen currently enrolled for the school year 2022-2023 in any recognized tertiary academic institution in the country. So karon gud, Ma'am Hazel, lain na magud ang ato ang first semester, second semester, nag-start naman gani ilang klase sometimes in August naman to, no? Ilang ko December. I think the second will be second semester ba kay tawag ana, no? Mo start na po sila sa January, then will end in summer. Murag trimester naman karon ang ano ang. So that is why mo na ang maka-appeal ani, no? So the first-time college freshmen are those who have enrolled for not more than 2 semesters or its equivalent term in college. Meaning freshman gid siya mao pagipagsuo pero di pud siya mo more than 2 semesters ang iyahang pag-eskwela. Okay? So mo na eligible to
Join.
To compete in the PSQ nato. Okay? So in the past kay wala magud tay na-stop man tong PSQ in the 2016 in
2017
and 2018. Ang gibuhat ato is natay gitawag og reunion during that year, no? Natay reunion sa tanang mga winners.
Okay.
Central office. So nayuban dito in the year 1992. Actually, there is a Central Visayas, we were able to have 3 national champion nato, no? Coming from Baiso, coming from USC, no, University of San Carlos. I think 2 dugay-dugay naman to, no?
Yes.
Una Baiso, ni pagkahuman kadto na dayon taga CNU ni USC, no? Murag so tanan mga champion in the past nag-reunion dito. So naiuban mga school teacher, mga professional na, no? Mga statistics in their profession, no, dito sila nakita. So I would like to also inform that we will be coordinating the regional steering committee, members of the regional steering committee. Ang atong regional steering committee for this PSQ, ang atong chair ani is the PSA, vice chair is the DOST,
Okay.
the members are CHED, regional office, we have DepEd, we have PAGCOR, we have also from the Bureau of Customs, no? Murag mao na siya ang ato ang regional steering. Anya pa di ay kining wala na kay na merge naman day ang katong BAS kay sa una naman gutoy Bureau of Agriculture Statistics, but ang BAS ni merge naman sa PSA. So that is why that is the standing nato sa steering committee. So mo na ang pinaka-highlight nato sa
Celebration.
sa celebration sa PSQ. So napunta ko i-highlight, later na lang siguro, maybe napakay question Ma'am Hazel, later na lang siguro ning usa ka highlight nga activities pod kay murag taas-taas na to kung na istorya po.
Okay ra sir, okay ra kay at least na-mention gid nimo ba kung unsa gid ang mga highlights kay mo man na importante nga kinahanglan may baw-an gid sa mga tao kung unsa gid ang gihimo no sa PSA. And personally sir, I really admire no sa inyong mga activities no kay as early as their age no, especially kaning sa quiz bee, kaning sa quiz ninyo kay ang quiz bee nato of course ang national line agencies man di ba ang ni join, but sa quiz nato is kaning mga students no, so as early as their
Yes.
age no nga kanang ma-introduce ay laha ba kung unsa ni ang statistics di ba kay if you notice man good basta talking about statistics more man of course numbers di ba nga na so ang ano sa mga tao is boring ba kay kanang numbers ano, but this is part of your awareness ba kung unsa gyud ka importante ang statistics as of now no today, kay tungod kay it really helps a lot no, especially sa kaning pag-uplift no sa lives sa mga Pilipino to make a better decisions for them no, kung sa mga buhaton kani sa atong mga policy makers na to sa mga programa o mga serbisyo nga dapat nga ihatag no sa publiko nga makatabang yun no to improve their lives no. So that's good sir no nga nag-start gyud ta at the very young age no sa atong mga sa atong mga bata gyud no nga they will learn no, they will understand kung unsa gyud ka importante ang statistics.
Okay. That's true, Ma'am Hazel, no? In fact, para nga makakuan po tag awareness sa general public, ang venue nato in the past, no, sa ato ang PSQ katong in the 25th PSQ in the 2019, prior to that katong 2016, we conducted this PSQ at SM, no? SM Activity Center sa SM City Cebu kanang didapit sa North Reclamation Area, such that ang katong mga public nga naa dito nagkuan maka-witness sila ba na uy sini ang statistics. In fact makita po nila dito how the statistics works no in the lives of the students kay tanaw po sila dito uy maayo ani nga estudyante no statistics no na mga question dito nga. Pero ang question nato sa PSQ are kuan kanang mga basic no basic statistics. For those nga wag kuan sa statistics makaingon uy grabe mo pud no mo ka-answer gid ang mga student. Okay, so
but lisod tong sa quiz bee sir.
kato sa PSA quiz bee actually ang kalainan lang aning duha. Ang katong PSA quiz bee it compasses all the functions of the PSA ra gyud. While sa PSQ statistics gid siya basic statistics lang ato ang mga question nga gitudlo ko during high school nato nga on the first year college nato sa college nato no first semester.
Oo. Sir, na-mention man nimo ganina katong with regard sa katong one of the objectives no sa inyong celebration karon katong in support no of the general public in upgrading the quality and standards of statistics in the country no. So sir mangutan ako with regard sa PSA unsay expectations ani sa mga tao especially now that we are in the near normal sir no, na-mention man ni Sir June pud ganina no nga dili pa man gyud ta normal no, so although padong na gyud siguro ta hopefully no kay nag-start naman gyud atong economy, nag-start naman gyud og lihok ang mga tao, nanggawas na balik na sa trabaho, mga negosyo ni balik na sa dog open. Unsay expectations ani sa mga tao sir nga kanang makatabang gyud sila no with regard sa kaning statistics? Unsay dapat gyud nga himuon sa PSA with regard sa kaning kinahanglan ma-fully aware gyud sila kung unsay contribution no sa mga tao with regards para ma-improve sa gyud makatabang sila mismo no unsa man pag-improve pud sa ilang kaugalingon.
Okay, that's a very good question, Ma'am Hazel no. Karon man good marabag ako being a PSA employee will also admit that not all data gathering activities in the government si PSA ra naghimo no. Almost all the departments, Ma'am Hazel, are also gathering their own data in relation to their mandate. No? Like even the DOH are also gathering data, DSWD, and other departments in the government. No, that's why, and the second objective of the NSM, no, to elicit the cooperation and support of the general public in upgrading the quality of standards of statistics in the country. In relation to the general public, all we are asking to them is the cooperation lang yun, Ma'am Hazel, no? In accommodating, I will always say all
Yes.
government statistical activity. Kay that comprises naman not only PSA statistical activities but all no in the government. Kay their cooperation by way of accommodating the data collectors no and answering truthfully in the questions no kay maora gina ang ilahang matabang no ang ilang oras ug ang pag-answer pagtubag sa mga pangutana because in the end ang information ang data nga makuha sa government will be very reflective of the situation in the community kay kung mutubag ka nya mag dili pug ka mutubag og sakto mamakak ka so unsa may mahitabo pod sa data nga na-gather sa gobyerno dili pod siya mao no so and siguro in the long run it will backfire no nga dili man na siya mao nya instead unta ang programa nga sakto nga mahatag og makabenepisyo dito sa community dili na siya mao because the data is not reflective so karon daghan na gid kayo ang mga data gathering activity nga ginakandak no especially kanang gitawag natong CBMS community based monitoring system ang local government na gid biya ang mo spearhead pagkandak ana nga activity. In the CBMS, that is a very powerful data gathering activity because the programs the government can target no specific recipients no of the program. That's how very important the CBMS is no. So, going back to the second objective, all we are asking to the community and to the general public is the cooperation lang yun, no? Gamay nga kooperasyon, oras, atong i-accommodate ang mga data collectors na tubago na to og sakto, no? Dili pod na to insultuhon, dili pod na to pangisgan, dili pod na to kasab-an, no? Kay they are just doing the work, no? They are just doing the work. In the end, no, ang makabenefit gyud ang community for the programs and policies of the government.
Correct. Sir, ang mga surveys karon is doon na ba tay mga innovative with regards sa kaning conducting of surveys sa PSA?
Yes, Ma'am Hazel. Starting in 2017, I think, no, as I remember,
Yes.
we are using for the first time sa tablet na Ma'am Hazel, no? Aside from the usual na to nga paper,
Yes.
na pencil, na mag-interview. So, we are upgrading or murabag ni step up na pod ta, no? We have to abide by the technology pod Ma'am Hazel, no? So, dili na kayo ta sa papel, but we are now using the tablet. In fact, ang akong na mention nga CBMS will be using tablet. In the tablet manggod, mas dali na siya, mas convenient na siya, dili na magsulat-sulat, magpindot-pindot na lang, and the program or the application will lead you to the next sections in the questionnaire. Kaya questionnaire nga po na siya, although tablet na lang siya, no? Depending on the answer. So, malesen ang mga skipping patterns or mga skipping errors. Unya, ang pag-process sa data, mas dali na lang po, no? Unlike sa usual nga papel, so natay gitawag na tog manual processing, human machine processing na pod kay i-computer na pod siya, no? I-encode, i-validate ang mga invalid values and etc. So, it will make the life of the data gathering a little easier na and the processing will become shorter compared to the usual, Ma'am Hazel. Ginana siya.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Siguro, sir, doon na pa si Sir June Sato, basig na pa siya additional info nga ihatag, sir. Go ahead.
Yes, Ma'am Hazel. So, we have another highlights for the activity. Amo lagyapon gitutukan ang mga participation sa mga estudyante, no? This is what we call the intercollegiate competition. Na doon na ni siya tulo ka buok contest proper, no? Or tulo ka mga activity, no, contest. First, ang gitawag nato nga intercollegiate kwentong stats essay writing competition, no? But for this activity, we will always delve on the theme, no? Naka-anchor gyud ang ato ang tema sa 33rd NSM, which is boosting the country's recovery with informed decisions and better policies. This particular intercollegiate competition, Ma'am Hazel, this will be conducted on October
Oh,
on October 27. This is to be participated from the different HEIs, gyapon no, mga higher education institution nato. So unsa man ning intercollegiate kwentong stats essay writing competition. So kinsa may eligible to participate on this, no? Basig na maminaw nga ato ang mga estudyante, no? We would like to invite you, no? Nindot kayo ni siya. So kinsa man, the competition is open to all students in the higher education institutions recognized by the CHED within Central Visayas. Kaya ang ato ang activity, this is only the initiative sa ato diri sa Region 7 na siya nga activity. So what na tay national ani, no?
okay.
Surata sa regional. So a scan copy of the assessment or study load or certification from the school shall be submitted as proof that the participant is a bona fide student of the higher education institution. So meaning, it doesn't mean nga first year ba siya, second year, for as long as currently enrolled siya sa mga different HEIs na to. So for the contest guidelines na to, aning essay writing contest, the competition shall be encoded on the spot. On the spot, gini siya, no? In the computer using MS Word with the following information. So during the contest, they may magdala gid sila, no? Di lang may siguro laptop, no? Laptop or
Bring your own laptop.
para na ay magamit nila in the encoding nila sa ilahang essay writing. Then the contestant the essay content must compose of at least 200 words, but not more than to over 300 words. Okay? Then the contestant is given 1 hour and 30 minutes to compose his or her essay and a maximum of 7 minutes to present his or her piece. Meaning, mahuman siya og compose sa iyang essay, amo pa sa tagaan og i-allocate na mo og time, a maximum of 7 minutes nga mo explain siya, no? Mo discuss siya sa iyang essay, no? For every participating contestant, no? So 7 minutes to present her piece or his piece during the presentation on October 27. Sa hapon ni siya nato i-conduct ni nga activity. So the content of the essay shall involve on the theme, as I have said, boosting the country's recovery with informed decisions with better policy. Okay? So each essay entry submitted must be original and unpublished work. Okay, base pa lang na gikopya ra pod ba, no? Unpublished work of the participant who owns the copyright. Basig makuha niya tani sa copyright, basig na ay copy, dapat original gini siya, no? So the by submitting an essay entry for the contest, the participant is also granting PSA the right to use not the essay piece at no cost. So amo na nagiklaro kay narabatay kuan po, no, kana mga data privacy, no, copyright. Okay, then winning entries will be automatically BPSA property. So ang iyang criteria ana naatay content and organization 45%, language and style 45%, then presentation 10%. Kato mo present siya atong 7 minutes, na siya 10%, a total of 100%. Okay? Another contest, no? Pero mao gyapon ni siya, no? Intercollegiate, kini gitawag og intercollegiate infographics making competition. Kanigong infographics, it's more on mga pictures ba, no? Murag a storyboard nga it deals on the result of the data. No, kay usually karon ko ng mga tao di naman anang pare sa una nga nalay graphs niya na sulti-sulti the the labor, the employment increase by ingana dili na no karon it's more on pictures no murag mga comics naman good no kanang mga bata karon maay na kay sila ana no mo analyze kung kuan lang storyboard lang siya. So intercollegiate infographics making competition. So ang eligible participants ani pwede maka-appeal the same ra sa katong niagi ang akong nahisgutan. And the guideline is the competition shall be done on the spot using any creative software on a computer or laptop. Normally, kinigo paghimo sa infographics, use lang sila ang mga Canva, napoy upan nga mogamit og Photoshop, no?
Yes.
It depends, no? Kung asa sila kanang hiyang, no? O hiyang no? Use sila ana nga mga application. So the contestant is given 2 hours to create his or her infographics and a maximum of 5 minutes to present his or her piece during the presentation. Then an awarding will be conducted on that same date. Okay, so napud gyapon siya time nga iyang explain about sa iyang piece. Okay, then participants shall bring their own laptop. Then the contestant of the infographic shall be any of the following statistics posted of from the PSA Central Visayas Regional website. So, pwede rin niya kwaon ang mga data dito sa ato ang PSA Regional website. Example, sa ato ang Consumer Price Index, no? CPI, poverty statistics, and population, no? The latest result of the population. Muna gamaan nilang storyboard, no? Murag story, infographics. So, ang ato ang link sa ato ang website sa region is www.rsso07.psa.gov.ph. So inisod ninyo ana nga website na nadya tanan inyong mapilian nga mga data, like for instance as mentioned ganiya CPI, poverty statistics, and population. Then it should be an electronic file in JPEG format or PNG, meaning picture din siya, no? Picture man gini siya kay infographics man, with at least 300 dots per inch, which is 300 dpi, or a print resolution of 3,508 pixels, or by 4,961. Kini simple naman ni siya, inig-save naman na nimo sa picture sa JPEG or PNG file. So each image submitted must be original and unpublished work of the participant who owns the copyright. Okay, so mauna siya ang ato ang guidelines. And the last, competition, no? Nga atoa para aligre, napuntay gitawag og intercollegiate TikTok dance challenge competition. Okay? So, mao po na siya. So, ang eligible to participate on this, parehora ganiha, but naligidugang diri nga, and it could be an individual, siya rao sa, or group, no? Or group of not more than 5 may submit an entry. O sige, so pwede sila magsayaw by group for a maximum lang, at least not more than 5 katao. Pwede po siya rao sa, no? TikTok challenge. So, may guidelines na to ani. When we say TikTok, of course, we will use the TikTok application na to, no? Usually naman na sa cellphone, no? Kanang TikTok app. Nga na po tay music. Later akong i-discuss unsay gamiton pod nga music na to. Okay, guidelines. Students who choose to participate will post a dance video of their creation through the app TikTok. So iya din siyang i-post yun. Okay? Then the music to be used for the dance should be the official National Statistics Month jingle, no? The NSM jingle can be downloaded. Nara po na sa amo ang website, no? Katong gihisgutan nako. Pero www.rsso07.psa.gov.ph /NSM para makadto mo sa landing page sa NSM. Okay? So the NSM TikTok Dance Challenge shall be posted in the TikTok app application using the hashtag. So natay hashtag ani. Then a copy of the video shall also be submitted to the secretariat. Okay? So the dance video should be should run a minimum of 2 minutes and a maximum of 3 minutes ang TikTok dance competition. No appropriate gestures should no appropriate gestures and should wear appropriate clothing. So appropriate lang pod no. Pwede sila magsanila nga basta kay appropriate lang on the dance. Okay. Then the submitted entries will be posted nato dito sa NSM Facebook nato sa PSA RSSO 7 so the public would also kanang view no. Then on October 21 this will be also be judged. Then ang awarding nato is on October 27. So judging of entry shall be done during the presentation and awarding of 33rd NSM Intercollegiate Competition on October 27. Okay? So the winning entries will be automatically be PSA RSSO 7 property. So what is the criteria for this? Transition and effects 25%. Pasabot aning transition effects. How well is the video produced with regards to the continuity, timing, camera operation, sound quality, and editing. Okay, so muna ang transition effects, 25%. Creativity and originality, 40%. So when we say creativity and originality, does the dance use imaginative and creative ways, no, to convey the message of the song? Okay, so napod sila murag some sort of innovation, no, on how to do this dance steps. Then visual appeal, 25%. So what do you mean by visual appeal? Is the lighting and camera positioning visually effective, if any? Or is the dance video aesthetically pleasing? Nindot ba siya pod tan-awon? So mo na siya ang visual appeal, 25%. And we have here audience impact. Uy, mag-audience impact dita ani, no? So, through a number of heart reactions, no? Through a number of heart reactions in TikTok and likes, hearts, wows in NSM Facebook page of PSA RSSO 7. So, kung nasa sila mga kaila, mga estudyante, iya gitong aghato niya mga classmate, uy, pag kuan mo dito, pag like, heart, para mo daog. No, murag ingana ba, no? This is part of the competition. And this is equivalent to 10%, a total of 100%. So, this will be conducted on October 27. Hapon ni siya, Ma'am Hazel.
Okay. Ubay-ubay gid mo og kanang mga activities sir no sa karon nga inyong celebration. So
Yes.
hopefully no we're hoping no for those who are listening or with us no sa to ang Facebook page manghinaot mi no nga mainganyo mo nga mo join especially katong mga students nato no nga mo join mo sa mga activities sa Philippine Statistics Authority as they celebrate the National Statistics Month. So sir, wala naman gitay igong oras no na focus naman gid ato ang kanang time no for this kapihan nato sa PIA. Siguro sir kung parting statement na lang if namoy mga announcement na pa mo'y gustong i-share no para mahibaw-an sa to ang publiko. So siguro sir pwede ninyong i-share. Unahon siguro na po ang of course no the chief of the statistical specialist. We have Engineer Leopoldo Alfanta Jr. Sir June?
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to announce that this week, no, this coming Friday, October 14, we will be having the press conference for the 2021 official poverty statistics data dissemination. So we have already the venue at Bay Hotel.
Yes.
Take again, that will be October 14 starting at 9 a.m. So we are inviting all our stakeholders, especially the REC members, the academe, and of course the media. We are expecting you or from the PIA, Ma'am Hazel,
Yes,
for that activity. The official poverty statistics is released by PSA every 3 years. So the last time that we had that same kind of activity was in 2018. Okay? And now, the 2021, this was conducted in 2021, but the release is this year, no? 2022 na. This is mainly the data that we got from the Family Income and Expenditure Survey. So the poverty statistics is one of the highly awaited statistics, no? Na ginasunod gyud or ginatutukan sa government, especially sa LGU, because what is now the poverty incidence, the
Yes.
magnitude of poverty and subsistence incidence among families, among population. Na this will be for the region and for each of the province and the highly urbanized areas, because we have 3 HUCs, Mangod, Cebu City, Lapu-Lapu, and Mandawi. So that is one of the big event that is coming. And we are honored, Ma'am Hazel, to announce that our national statistician, Undersecretary Dennis Mapa, will be here on that particular activity. So we are quite busy sa amo ang this week, ma'am, no? So
Yes.
aside from USEC Mapa, Assistant Secretary Daniel Ariaso will also be here this week for another important concern po, ma'am, no? That is for the katong accreditation. We are working on the accreditation for the mga data collectors in the future nga accredited sila with NC2. No? This is in collaboration with TESDA. But that is still upcoming, Ma'am Hazel. Of course, we will inform the public, no, through this kind of activity, the Kapihan sa PIA. So mo ni amo ang dakong activity. I hope and we hope that this will be attended, no, physically, no, kay kuan man, no, we have a good venue man sa Bay Hotel, Ma'am Hazel, that will be this Friday.
Thank you, sir. We would like also to hear, of course, our supervising statistical specialist, Engineer Felixberto Sato Jr. Sir June.
Yes, Ma'am Hazel. In addition to some of our activities lang, with a short information, the PSA is also having its murag some sort of a talk show ba, no? Every week. I think that is Tuesday and
Every Wednesday.
every Wednesday, sorry. Wednesday in the afternoon after 4 o'clock, no? Through podcast, no? Murag podcast ni siya, no? Anything on the based on the mandate of the PSA, naapod may mga kanang kada Wednesday nami invited nga personnel who handle sa particular project, no? Kaya ang PSA dako man na civil registration, na national ID, na po statistics. So amo po na silang part of our activity kaning podcast nato, no? Makita man na siya live nato po sa ato ang Facebook. Another thing, this coming October 25, this will also be our closing ceremony for the NSM, no? And this will be conducted, ang venue na to is the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, no, BSP. Ever since ang BSP gyud ang mo sponsor sa ato ang closing ceremony, and we have also mga activities in the program nga naka-line up on October 25. So thank you very much, Ma'am Hazel, for the opportunity na amo gid we're able to disseminate the mga activities, in fact atong mga akong giskutan ng mga competition, and I know that some of the students is eager to participate on the said competition with this information ang ato ang social media. Thank you very much, Ma'am Hazel.
Thank you, sir. So congratulations in advance, no? For sure successful gina inyong mga activities, no, for this celebration, and happy anniversary PSA 7 or the whole PSA family. So congrats, sir, and thank you so much, no? So that's end our Kapihan sa PIA. So in behalf of our regional head, Ms. Fayet Rinian, we would like to thank PSA 7 for allowing us, no, PIA also, no, to be part of this celebration of this activity of yours. So thank you so much, sir. And of course, manghinaot mi nga doon na mo'y nakutlo, doon na mo'y mga nakatuna, no, sa amuang discussion with regards sa kaning mga activities nato sa National Statistics Month. Of course, ang unsay mandato, unsay gihimo, unsay mga functions, unsay mga role, no, sa Philippine Statistics Authority with regards to para sa kalambuan, no, sa tagsa-tagsa kanatong tanan. So kami sa PIA andam nga muhatag kanunay og maayong balita gikan sa inyong gobyerno. So until next week, mga higala, kini si Hazel Gloria of PIA 7 manghinaot nga maayong panglawas ang tanan. So stay safe everyone and God bless.